Please download Telugu Stop Android app in Play Store or iOS app in App Store and stay tuned to latest news as it happens. Hyderabad, November 3rd. The process for general elections to Telangana Assembly was set in motion on Friday with the issue of Gazette notifications. With this began the process of filing of nominations for November 30th elections to the 119-member Assembly. The Election Commission of India, ECI, published a notification fixing the program for various stages of the election. Returning officers, ROS, in all the constituencies issued public notice in Form 1, specifying the details of names of assistant returning officers, RS, who will receive nominations in place for taking nominations, that is the office of returning officer. Nominations will be received on all working days between 11 am and 3 pm till November 10th at the returning officer's office in each of 119 constituencies. The scrutiny of nominations will be taken up on November 13th. The last date for withdrawal of nominations will be November 15th. Polling will be held on November 30th while the counting of votes will be taken up on December 3rd. The state is set to witness a three-cornered contest among ruling Bharat Rashtra Samiti, BRS, Opposition Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, aiming for a third consecutive term. BRS has already announced candidates for 116 constituencies and is ahead of others in campaigning. The Congress party has also declared 100 candidates and is running an intensive campaign. The BJP has announced 88 names in 3 lists. Uncertainty prevails on whether BJP will have an alliance with actor Pawan Kalyan-led Jana Sena Party, JSP, a constituent of the National Democratic Alliance, NDA. The CPI-M has announced that it will go it alone after the Congress party did not leave 2 seats sought by it. The CPI has decided to wait for a couple of days for the response from the Congress. Meanwhile, State Chief Electoral Officer Vikas Raj said all arrangements have been made in the offices of the returning officers to receive the nominations. As per the orders issued by the election authorities, only 3 vehicles will be allowed in the candidates' convoy within 100 meters to RO's office at the time of filing nomination. 5 persons, including candidates, will be allowed inside RO's room. Along with nomination, every candidate has to file an affidavit in Form 26 declaring information about his criminal antecedents, assets, liabilities and education qualifications. At least 1 day before filing nomination, each candidate has to open a separate bank account to monitor his or election expenditure. Online nomination facility is available through Suvidha portal of ECI and signed hard copy of the same has to be submitted to RO. After 3 pm on each day, RO will publish a list of nominations filed. Copies of nominations and affidavits will be displayed on the notice board of RO's office on the same day. The affidavits filed by candidates have to be uploaded on ECI website within 24 hours and will also be displayed on CEO's website. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.